Hi, I'm Mr. Plume, I'm Director of Maths.
And I'm Mr. Thompson, Director of Digital Media.
This week, Mr. Thompson and I have had a bit of a mixed fortunes with our stocks and shares. My portfolio is currently trading up by about £700 up at the moment. How about yours, Mr. Thompson?
Dreadful. I'm £260 down, according to latest information on my iPhone.
Unlucky, Mr. Thompson. That's a real disappointment to hear.
Sure
Good job we're not competing on this at all.
No, I'm sure you're really upset that I've lost all that money.
So where's all your money gone? Where have you lost it on?
Okay, I lost money in Apple because they have recently been slapped with a $600 million lawsuit. Basically, they've got a $600 million fine, so that's driven their share price down. And I also lost money in a South American oil company that I thought was going to be taken over, but wasn't.
I suppose the thing to keep in mind, Mr. Thompson, is that while Apple have lost this money in court, they've also got a $1 billion data centre opening soon. So I'm sure your shares will bounce back up again. And
possibly best not to sell them then.
Probably best maybe hold on to them. I'll keep my advice to.
Yeah. And yours? Where did you make your money?
I've made some money, but I've been quite active in buying and selling them. So I made some money in Carphone Warehouse shares. I made about 50% profit. Just sold them at the right time.
That's really good.
In those, I've got some penny shares I've been playing with as well.
So I was pleased that I could walk into some PL rooms and they'd actually lost more money than I had. So I did.
Only a few had lost more money these days.
Yeah, in actual fact, most people have made more money than I have.
Which is
good,
well,
it's not hard, but there we are. I'm really, really pleased. Okay, so what have we got for them this week?
This week, Mr. Thompson, I think we're gonna have to hijack the PL time video. It's great that everyone's dealing in their stocks and shares, and I want them to keep doing that during their specialism time. But I think it's really important we talk about the games room.
Absolutely. We had great fun on Wednesday during PL time, period 5. And we came in here and we looked at the people who'd earned the most merits and were able to have access to the games room for the very first time.
When I came in here to the games room tonight, guys, I caught Mr. Thompson having a bit of cheeky practice on the Xbox 360.
This is now officially my favourite game. Fantastic. Only because Mr. Plume can't play it.
I don't have the time to practice like you do, sir. So, guys, you really got to get your stamps. Get the stamps in the planners. Ultra hard effort in the lessons. Get your game stamps and get yourself in here for a lesson.
The key to getting those game stamps is going above and beyond what you would normally be expected to do in your lesson. So keep turning in the fantastic work, putting in fantastic effort, and I'm sure those game stamps will follow.
I think that takes on to Geek of the Week quite nicely, doesn't it, sir?
And now it is time for Geek of the Week, which this week comes from the Games Room. Geek of the Week this week comes from Venture Academy's very own Games Room. Packed with Nintendo DSi, Nintendo Wii, Microsoft Xbox 360 and Sony's PS3, it makes a fantastic reward for those of you doing really well with your studies. Entry is by game stamp only, so make sure you're putting in extra hard work during all of your lessons. Good luck.
Thanks for that, Mr. Thompson. There's just a little view of the games room just to whet your appetite a little bit.
And now I guess it's time for you and your PL tutors to log into your Halifax Share Trader account and buy and sell some shares.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck. Bye-bye.
Right, Mr. Thompson, you better teach me how to play this game.
Game on. Let's go.